What is one common factor I see in real estate agents that just make them more successful than others? Check this out. All right, so one thing that I always tell all of my agents, and unfortunately it's just the reality of the business, that you absolutely 100% need to be obsessed. And this goes for anything. Entrepreneurs in any type of industry, you need to be obsessed with your craft. And sometimes it's borderline unhealthy. But the reality is, especially in real estate, your phone is going to ring crazy on the weekends, after hours. Text messages need responses to people want showings same day, like within hours. It's very inconveniencing. However, if you're obsessed and you're dedicated to being the best in this industry, you inevitably will succeed. But you need to be obsessed. And sometimes people look at that and they get worried. But I find that being obsessed is by far the biggest factor when determining if an agent is going to make it or not. It's just being super, super hungry, super gritty, and obsessed with the goal. And that goes for anything. If you're looking to just obtain a perfect body, you have to be obsessed with nutrition, with working out. If you want to be, the best husband or wife, partner in life, you need to be obsessed with that. You need to work on that. And the same thing goes for your business as an entrepreneur, whatever that looks like. But in real estate, I tell my team this all the time, it's extremely inconveniencing. Now, the good news is, as you progress in your career, you can get assistance, you can get leverage, this capital that you can acquire during your obsessed stage, that will help. But when you're starting out and you don't have much of a budget, unfortunately, that all falls on you. And you need to be obsessed because this is a grind. It's almost a 24/7 grind in Vegas especially. But the good news is, after a couple of years of grinding, hopefully you save us some money, get some help, some assistance, and it's a little bit easier from there. But one thing remains the same, you always need to be obsessed.